G'day traders and welcome to Just Eminis Day Trading Made Easy. My name is George Paul and today is Friday the 7th of December 2012 on the Eminis S&P. What I'm here to show you today is not where we got in and where we got out and how much money we took out of the market today. The video today is more so to show you the benefits of our trading room. Now, if you're not yet a member of our room, it's completely fine. What I will show you today though is members that have been with us for less than 2 months are pulling out 6.5 points out of the market today. Most of them are one contract traders. It's $325. Now, that in itself, am I saying that they've done that in the first month? They can't. They need to watch our system and grow around what we show them and begin to trust the setups as we're showing them. So, did I take today's trade? I actually didn't. The only reason being, I'm looking at the more conservative setups. So there again, it goes to show you that our members are gaining confidence in the education that I can show them. So it's not such, and I will actually stipulate in this video, if you're looking for a trading room that calls trades, with all due respect, please, you may have to look elsewhere, because I don't call trades in the room. A lot of the trading rooms do call trades, and that's perfectly fine. What I do show in the room is education and our trade setups. I'll show you the exact areas of where we get in and out. I'll show you the exact price actually, but don't call trades. In saying so, that's where I focus more on the education. I have had a few members in the past that have only lasted 2 or 3 days, expecting to make hundreds and thousands of dollars because they may see my results and think, alright, I'll just use 5 or 6 contracts and I'll be fine. These traders, unfortunately, they're not aware of our setups and how we actually gradually learn to become better traders, and that's what it's about. If you're expecting to learn something in a few weeks, I'll ask you a question. How long did it take for you to learn your profession? It's the same thing. Members come into the room, or the newbie trader, they open up an account and they think, oh great, this is easy. What you're doing, in effect, you're up against head to head, up against professional, big fund traders. These guys have got capital behind them because they've been doing it for years. If you expect to be in the markets for 2 years and expect to make a living off of it, it's going to be extremely difficult if you think that. If you've got a system behind you that you've grown and trusted, maybe a bit of a different story. And that's where I can show you and guide you about how we can take profits in the market basically every day. So I focus on one good trade a day. As I mentioned before, did I take today's trade setup? No. Was it a good setup? It traded the target, 6.25 points, and I'll show you that right now. We'll have a look at the charts, and we'll go through them, and we'll see exactly where Eminis were looking. So these setups are basically known ahead of time. This setup was actually drawn at 10 AM in the morning. So from 10 AM all the way to 10:15, you could say, the limit order was out in the market already, 1750s. This risk limit here has been put in place. Is it possible the market could have turned up today? Look at the 8:30 candle. It was a news candle. It's quite possible this could have broken right up. Very possible. But this was the risk that was in place, and that's why I personally didn't have a conservative trade set up this morning. I personally think that we are going to make higher highs from here, and as you can see, the market's actually still rising ever so slightly. Although this was a trade that was taken pretty much at 11 o'clock, most of these traders were done for the day, and they're currently not in my room at the moment. Actually, yeah, I've got a very, very small class at the end of my Friday, but the point is, take something out in the morning, if possible, close your dome. I don't want to see you in the room anymore, unless you've got questions to ask, and we can go through that in the room every single day, which is perfectly fine. But this is what I have to show you, because you can't possibly learn this in 3 months and trade on your own. If you think that's going to happen, trading may not be for you, because there's a lot more involved to trading. I've been doing this now solidly and profitably. I've been doing this particular system for over 2 years. And can I tell you that I've been taking profit for over 2 years? Every single month. Every month, month in, month out, I've gone to the bank and I've withdrawn funds from trading. I will tell you the truth. The first 4 years, did I ever do that? Never. Not one time. It was either a loss or a break-even month after I've run myself ragged into the ground and exhausted, thinking, can I do this anymore? Basically, that's what it is. So what I want to show you today was really, it wasn't to show you how much we took out of the markets today. It's to show you the benefits of our trading room. These members are growing. They're here every day and they're listening with anticipation with everything that I've got to say. Am I a professional trader? Not at all. I'm not a professional trader at all. Am I somebody that you can connect with? Well, I hope you can, because this is where I started. I started struggling. I struggled for 4 years and I couldn't get off the ground, but there was a passion that I just couldn't let go of. And that's basically that's how it started. And that's what I'm here to offer you. I've got a very well priced, and you can go ahead and check other trading rooms. I'm not trying to sell the trading room. What I am trying to do is I'm trying to offer you, well, actually I am offering you the education to our setups and to see exactly where we really take them. Are all setups going to work? Nothing's guaranteed in life, and we know that. You need to take some losses to make up for the gains. And the gains will always come. Have these members, the ones I'm talking about, have they taken losses? They have taken losses in the first month because they may have been trading an aggressive setup right away. Most of them have taken the easy approach in, become trustworthy with the setup and the system that I show them, and they've gone through the education program, gone through all the videos, and they've probably watched them over and over again to really refine their precise target entries, and this is what we go for. So, in saying that, I've obviously shown you an example that's actually just gone one tick into the red and then traded to target. Is that possible? Most days, it actually is. Do we always get a feel like that? Not all the time, but there are occasional times that we do because we're looking in the right areas. And that's what I will show you. I'll show you these areas every single day, every minute of the day, because this is what we go through. These setups can occur, and this morning there was 4 setups. There were 4 short setups this morning. Some of our traders took advantage of all of them. We're currently, hopefully, in a long at the moment because I'm really anticipating this market to go up from here. Will that happen? It doesn't matter. Am I focusing on a rising equity curve? That's what we're here to do. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry it's gone a little bit over time, but please check out our $1 trading room and you will see these setups in real time. You get to see and you can ask as many questions as you like. Do you have to buy my course? If you don't want to, that's perfectly fine. Are you going to struggle learning my system without the education? You may. It may take you a little longer. But today's trade, one contract trader, 6 1/4 points, $325. It's not only paid for the course, it's actually paid for his trading room also on one trade. So, hope you enjoyed the video. This is just Eminis Day Trading Made Easy, and see you all again, hopefully next week sometime. Bye for now.